How to allow Messenger access to photos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Messenger to the latest version. Then go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon, tap on the search bar. Now type Messenger. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Tap on Messenger and click on update if it's available. Now after updating, simply tap on open. Then open up your chat. Now tap on gallery. Now tap on turn on and click on allow. Again tap on allow all, or you can simply go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now search for messenger. Now tap on messenger. Then tap on permissions. Now scroll down and tap on photos and videos. Now select always allow all. Now simply go back. Now go back to the home screen. Now when you open up messenger, go to any chat, tap on the gallery icon. You can simply access the photos from here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.